which can do a lot of work, and they can produce a very professional looking product, so that people can have a really good idea of what the product is like. And because of that, it is good for us to see that Mimos have come up with products which looks very good. They are in conformity with modern ideas about designs of products, and I believe that they are on the right track. I would like to congratulate the directors, the previous directors, and the chairman of Mimos, and the staff and researchers of Mimos for the success that they made of something that was very, very small. I really never thought it's going to be like this. It was very, very small in the field of research in IT. So we have made progress, and please continue with the progress. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Datuk Mahathir Mohamad. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in conjunction with the 25th anniversary of Mimos, we are proud to launch the first book, Innovation for Life, A Journey Beyond Frontiers. It gives me great honor to invite Yang Amat Berbahagia Tun to launch this book, a book on a journey, the success stories paved by Mimos. Thank you very much, Yang Amat Berbahagia Tun. We invite the media for a photo opportunity. And with this, I would like to invite Yang Berbahagia, the chairman of Mimos, Yang Berbahagia Datuk Surya Abdul Rahman, to present the first copy to Yang Amat Berbahagia Tun Dr. Mahathir.